is the elevator at the FMS/Physical Plant Building at Carnegie Mellon University in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a Westinghouse MPH elevator with RT fixtures. I think this is from the middle of the late 80s. Look up to 3. Flat and they have numbers. Interesting. Interior go up. I think this is a Schindler 330A. Listen to that chime. Yeah, this is a Schindler 330A. HXpress. I think the controller and chimes have been replaced, but I think everything else is original. Possibly the motor's replaced too, but I think other than that, I think everything's original. And 3. Or HXpress. I'll go back down to 1. This is weird. 88 phone. Basic cab. Yeah, it sure runs like a 330A. This is so weird. The indicator's also a bit weird. This is HXpress 330. What the heck is this? I think the controller and I think the controller's been replaced. That's for sure. Echo 1. Nobody say lock the padding in place with a padlock. That's funny.